What's up, guys? Being a beginner in any field of programming can be quite frustrating, and that is why I've started this series to help you blend in nicely. What bothers you the most as a beginner? Tell me in the comments and I will make a video about it for you. This series is a reflection of my experience teaching programming and web development. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss future posts. Let's get started. Let me show you something. So with just one command, I can get the whole boilerplate code for HTML. Let me back up and show you what happened. So I entered this exclamation sign, press enter, and then boom, I have all this. Okay, so I can just go ahead and put in my elements over here. Okay, and then I've already started doing my work. Okay, now this is amazing, this is great, and this comes with most of the modern code editors. I'm using Visual Studio Code here, arguably the most popular code editor. Comes with all these amazing features. But for a beginner programmer, the disadvantage of this is that when you get used to this and then you find yourself in a situation where you can't use these shortcuts, it becomes difficult for you to remember what you are supposed to enter. Okay, so you may even forget that this doc type HTML is the first line of code. It's very possible. Or you may forget some of these meta tags, or actually you could even be coding for so long and not know what these meta tags mean, because every day you just enter the exclamation sign, press enter, and then they are all provided for you. So in as much as you need to use these things, they are amazing and they are more modern, you watch out for this as well. Okay, so you don't want to find yourself in a conversation with someone and then you can't even remember your lines of code. Okay, let me show you another example here. So when I'm coding in, say, React, okay, I'm doing React JavaScript, and then I enter CC, just this, and I get a whole class component. Okay, so they are amazing and they can be helpful sometimes, but they make you lose sight of some very important details. So if you think this might be a problem for you, you can use a code editor like Notepad++, which is like a very old code editor. It's very basic, it doesn't have all these amazing features and all that. Okay, so if you think this would be a problem for you, you can actually go back to some of these code editors like Notepad++. Otherwise, use it, but use it well.